Hello guys. Okay, so congratulations on making an end of this course. I hope you are now able to follow along with all of the examples and sessions, and now you will be able to create your own Blazor components for your own applications, right? As well as you will be able to debug and deploy it. I will upload the source code of all the projects which we have created throughout the series to GitHub. So if you're stuck anywhere or unable to solve it, then this will be helpful to you. And I will also upload a presentation so you can revise what you have learned throughout the series in a few minutes. In this series, I have tried to cover all the concepts of Blazor which are required for newbies to create their own single page application. And throughout this series, I have just created some simple components. I hope you will use those concepts to make a complex component for your requirement. Mostly I have created examples in the client-side model, but the server-side model has the same coding. You can also visit the Microsoft's official documentation if you have any queries. I have added its link in the description. At last, I want to say that if you have any questions and feedback regarding the course, or if you want to stay in touch with me, then you can reach me via email, or you can also post your queries in question answer sections and comments. I'm really thankful to you again for taking this course, and best of luck for creating your single page application by using Blazor.